So this is how to share your screen on the reMarkable. Everything that I'm going to show you how to do in this tutorial applies to the reMarkable 1 and the reMarkable 2 because the software is exactly the same. So sharing your screen in reMarkable is a new feature that was just in a previous update. It's very easy to do. Whenever you're in a document, you can go live view here. And if you call up the reMarkable app, so that was quick and easy. As long as you're on the web app at the same time or on a computer with the app, then you can turn on the live view, simple as that, and it will display whatever you are doing on your reMarkable on the screen in front of you. So you just need to have a computer with the same account and the reMarkable software displayed on it. You can of course zoom in and zoom out on that, but not a lot else. So I would imagine this is a feature that is still in beta and they'll probably be adding features to it as they go forwards. It could be useful. At the minute, it's just the ability to share this screen directly to another screen. I hope that was useful. If you've got any more questions about using your reMarkable, or if you're just interested in using it as a professional, then hit me up in the comment section below.